Hello, I want to make a tutorial for my friends, bookmakers and chess player, engine chess player about how to uh, gather any PGN file into a single one. So now we have, for example, here the October play chess game provided by Hernavich, and each folder has a single file. So putting them together manually is a very work not so pleasant. So now you just search for this character dot pgn. I don't know the English term for this character here, but I don't know. Anyway, once you have a search for any PGN file here, you can. I see a poor power here. Boo. You can select them all, right mouse click and cut back, and then outside this folder, right mouse click, paste. Now you can delete any folder here and create a new one. For example, one. Now just start the command prompt and go on desktop, cd desktop, cd occ, and now click, type the command, type .pgn, the more than character, and then one slash output.pgn file. Now, each of this PGN file is gathered into this single file, and which have any game here. And then you can, for example, in my case, you can drag into the ChessBase application and update your play chess archive directly. So I hope to have been useful for you, and see you for the next time.